Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. So today we're going through a guided troubleshooting for Frigidaire refrigerator won't turn on. So how can you fix this issue? Follow me till the end of this video. So first of all, what you can do, you can verify the power supply. So try to ensure that the refrigerator is plugged in a working outlet. You can test it with another device, or you just can check your fridge if the light and the panel is working. Next, you'll have to inspect the power cord. So try to examine the power cord for any visible damage, such as any cut or fraying. It may affect your fridge and it won't even start or turn on. You can also check the axis for the temperature control thermostat. So try to locate the thermostat inside the refrigerator and turn it from the lowest to the highest setting, then try to listen for a clicking sound. If you cannot hear a clicking sound, then you'll have to replace it. Next, try to examine the start relay. So, as usual, unplug your refrigerator from the outlet and then try to locate the start relay that is attached to the compressor. And then try to see any signs of damage or burnt outdoor, which is a bad smell. So if you can find that or smell that, then you definitely need to change it and replace it. Next, try to test the compressor. So unplug your fridge from the outlet and try to locate at the back of the refrigerator your compressor. How you can test it? You can just use a multimeter for resistance. Try to compare readings to specifications in the technical sheet and replace it if it's out of range. Next, try to inspect the main control board. So unplug your fridge and try to locate the control board at the back of the unit. Then check for any visible damage or any burnt, components. You can smell it. If you can detect that you definitely need to replace your control board and change it. And if none of these helped you fix your issue and the fridge is not turning on, you definitely need to consult a professional technician. He will come handy and they can give you the help and provide it for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you on the next one.